Collard Greens TV. We're here today to amend some soil, getting ready for the lettuce. Today the weather was really good. It was about 45-50 degrees outside. Today is March 8th, 2019. I was looking at my calendar, looking at the weather and looking at the news, and it says that the weather is gonna stay here at the the 50 to 40 degree range in the daytime, not dropping below 25-30 degrees at night. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this soil ready and amend it for the lettuce prep. We have some mushroom compost and then just some regular cow manure and compost. I got some cardboard that I'm going to put on the bottom of this box, try to keep the soil from reaching the native soil. But we're going to amend this soil and I'll be right back. I just amended the soil for the lettuce. It's nice and soft, nice, and got a little bit of cardboard under there. I got the mushroom compost, I got the regular manure compost, I got some leaves in here, some coffee grounds, a little bit of everything. So this is our lettuce bin. We're gonna get ready to plant our lettuce. Hopefully we should have lettuce coming up here in the next week or two. So we'll keep you updated on the lettuce and what kind of lettuce we're growing. Again, it's Collard Greens TV. Collard Greens TV. I've just planted the lettuce for the 2019 growing season. As you see, we have salad bowl, butter bowl, spinach, sweet mix, and then both of those are just a mix of all those three. But yes, again, it's March 9th, 2019 here in Mount Vernon, Illinois. I was able to get the lettuce out, hoping to get my collard greens out in the next week or two here, and my mustard greens, my Brussels sprouts, my cabbage, my broccoli, hoping to get that out in the next week or two. But again, it's Collard Greens TV. We will keep you updated on the lettuce. Please subscribe. Any comments, any tips you may have, leave in the comment section. Again, Collard Greens TV. Yay, yay.